So I'm going to show you quickly how to tuck yourself in for the night. These curtains have got little magnets on one side and they're screwed in on the other, so feel free to just throw them closed when you want some privacy. Under here, as I've shown you before, you will find this silver bag with the covers for the front 3 windows. So you want silver side out. Very simply, this triangle bit here hooks over the door, so you can then just close the door. And that's now, if it wasn't so windy, that's now stuck fast. And then you simply come around the other side. With the door open, it's a lot easier for you to reach it. Well, half open then. Make sure it's nice and snug on that side. Shut that door. Give it a nice tie off at the bottom as well, so you don't end up with peeking. I like to put the windscreen wipers on as well, just for that little bit more insulation and privacy. And that's the front window all tucked in.